Kefir. That's got a lot of probiotics in it. That's good stuff. I like kefir. Almond milk, unsweetened. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Personally, you know, everybody says mice like cheese and stuff, but I don't. I don't like dairy products. That's not mine. That's somebody else's. But I do really enjoy apple cider vinegar. I think apple cider vinegar is very good for you. I think it's healthy, and I think it helps with yeast infections, candidas, and other type of fungal infections of the gastrointestinal system. Anyway, I gotta choose which one. Okay, I'm gonna have to go with the blueberry soda!